Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to activate a watch-only Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the main wallet screen. You'll need the public address of the cryptocurrency you wish to monitor. This feature allows you to track your holdings without exposing your private keys, offering a secure way to observe your portfolio's performance. It's a great tool for keeping an eye on your investments without transaction capabilities. To add your watch-only wallet, begin by tapping the plus icon located at the top right of your main wallet screen. From the list of wallet types, choose the watch-only wallet option. Next, you will be prompted to paste the public address of the cryptocurrency you want to track. Ensure the address is correct to avoid any errors in monitoring your assets. This step is crucial for accurate portfolio viewing. Once the watch-only wallet is added, you can immediately start monitoring your crypto assets. You'll see the current balance and a detailed transaction history for that specific address. This allows you to track price movements and observe changes in your portfolio's overall value without needing to access your full wallet. It provides peace of mind, knowing your private keys remain secure and offline while you stay informed. Activating a watch-only wallet offers significant benefits, including the ability to securely monitor multiple cryptocurrency portfolios from one convenient location. You can also share public addresses with others for viewing purposes without any risk to your funds. This method enhances your security posture while keeping you fully informed about your investments. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.